Here's our vocabulary lesson for the week. If we look at the first one, it is fertilize. And if you look, the person's putting some pellets or something on the plant, and he's probably fertilizing it. Fertilize is a verb, so let's say the word together fertilize. When you fertilize soil, you add something to help plants grow. So he's adding something to the soil to help the plant grow. Father will fertilize the soil to help the vegetables in the garden grow. So that is fertilize. The next one is germate. Germate is a verb. Let's say it together. Germinate. Germinate. Seeds germinate when they begin to grow. The seeds will germinate when we water them. So if you have a seed and it goes through these steps, and this is called germinating. Survive. And if you look, this animal's trying to survive. Survive is a verb. Let's say it together. Survive. When things survive, they stay alive. The gazelle is running as fast as possible to survive. So this is the gazelle and is running to survive. Winged. If you look, this is a winged animal. It is a bird. Winged is an adjective, so let's say it together. Winged. Something that is winged has parts that allow it to fly. The winged bird is sitting on a person's hand. So this is a winged bird. Our next one is rise. Rise is a verb, so let's say it together. Rise. When things rise, they go up. We get up early to watch the sun rise. So in this picture, the sun is rising. Scales. Scales are small, flat pieces that cover something. So let's say it together. Scales. Fish have scales covering their bodies. So you look, these fish have scales. Our next one is mature. Let's say it together. Mature is an adjective. When something is mature, it's fully grown. When the kitten is fully grown, it becomes a mature cat. So if you look, it goes from a kitten to a mature cat. Trapping. Trapping is a verb. Let's say it together. Trapping. Trapping means holding something so it cannot get out. The leaves of a Venus flytrap close, trapping the insect inside. And if you look, the fly is trapped between the leaves of the Venus flytrap. Lumber. Lumber is a noun. Let's say it together. Lumber. Lumber is wood that is cut into boards. We buy lumber to build a new porch. Minerals. Minerals is a noun. Excuse me. Minerals are natural substances that do not come from plants or animals. There are a variety of minerals that can be found in nature. If you look, these minerals are purple. Fuels. Fuels is a verb. Let's say it together. Fuels. Something that fuels another thing gives it energy or power. Gasoline fuels most cars. Our next one is process. Process is a noun. Let's say it together. Process. Process is a series of steps that happen in order. We learned about the process by which plants make their own food, and we know that's called photosynthesis. Provides, and if we look, provides is a verb. Provides, let's say it together, provides. Provide means to give something that is needed. The outdoor market provides fresh vegetables in the summer. Sprout. Sprout is a verb. Let's say it together. Sprout. When plants sprout, they begin to grow. We're excited to see the plants sprout in the garden. Moisten. Let's say it together. Moisten. When you moisten something, you wet it a little. Mom will moisten the sponge to clean the table. Seedlings. Seedlings is a noun. Let's say the word together. Seedlings. Seedlings are young plants that grow from seeds. In time, small oak seedlings like this one can grow into a mighty oak tree. So that's an oak seedling that the girl is looking at. And our last word is spiky. Let's say it together. Spiky. Something spiky has sharp points. It might hurt you if you touch a spiky cactus plant. So this cactus is spiky. So we have spiky, seedlings, moisten, sprout, provides, process, fuels, minerals, lumber, trapping, mature, scales, rise, winged, survive, germinate, fertilize.